When you send money with MoneyGram, you receive a unique 8-digit identifier called the MoneyGram Transfer Control Number, or MTCN. This number is your key to tracking your transfer from start to finish. You can track your MoneyGram transfer through multiple convenient methods. Use the official MoneyGram website, their mobile app available on both iOS and Android, or call their customer service line. To track your transfer, you'll need 3 pieces of information: your 8-digit MTCN, the sender's last name, and the destination country. Enter these details on the tracking page to see your transfer's current status. Your transfer can have several different statuses. Ready for pickup means the money is available at the destination. In progress shows the transfer is being processed. Picked up confirms the recipient has collected the funds. MoneyGram processes over 150 million transactions annually, making it one of the world's largest money transfer services. Remarkably, 94% of senders check their transfer status at least once, highlighting how important tracking is to customers. Understanding your MTCN and how to track your MoneyGram transfer gives you peace of mind and control over your money transfer. Keep your 8-digit MTCN safe, use official MoneyGram channels for tracking, and monitor your transfer status regularly. When MoneyGram transfers encounter issues or need to be canceled, the company provides a comprehensive refund process that has been significantly improved in recent years. The refund process has become much more efficient. Processing times have improved dramatically from 7 to 10 business days in 2022 to just 3 to 5 business days today. A significant majority of refund requests, 76%, are now initiated through digital channels rather than traditional phone or in-person methods. The most common reasons for refunds include recipients being unavailable to collect funds, incorrect recipient information provided by the sender, and direct requests from senders to cancel their transfers. Beyond refunds, MoneyGram has made substantial investments in enhancing their digital tracking capabilities. The adoption of digital tracking channels has increased dramatically. These digital enhancements include real-time tracking capabilities, push notifications for status updates, and improved mobile app functionality that puts tracking information directly in customers' hands. Looking toward the future, MoneyGram is developing even more advanced tracking capabilities, including AI-powered chatbots that can provide predictive tracking notifications and proactive customer support. These improvements in both refund processing and tracking capabilities demonstrate MoneyGram's commitment to providing customers with faster, more transparent, and more convenient money transfer services.